Hello YouTube, JoJo3102 here, and I have another video for you today. And what I have is an unboxing or unpackaging video for you of a product that I picked up. And if you saw my video a couple videos back of my Think Geek, a showing of what I got from Think Geek video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing and giving my initial impression of a product that I got out of that shipment. Okay, so what I have today is the Adonit. I think that's how you pronounce it. Adonit JOT. Okay, and this is the Pro. Adonit JOT Pro model. Okay, for captive screens. Now what that means is this will work for your touchscreen, iPads, iPod Touch, all the iPads, Android phones, tablets, Android tablets, things like that. That where you would touch on the screen to do things, you can use this pen to replace this pen. Okay? And with the Adonit Pro, this one's a little bit different than ones that you've probably seen on the market. I know it's different than the two that I have already for my iPad, in the sense that this tip is a fine tip there. Okay? So you can see that. Now on other models, it's a big bulbous rounded tip that you use, but there's no real control uses when you refine movements when you're writing and doing things on your iPad. And this is mainly for my iPad. That's why I use the term iPad, because I have a few writing and drawing applications on there that I use, and I like to use those to take notes for free time, drawing and pictures and things like that. So I wanted something that gave me a little bit more control, and I wanted to try this out. Now, what this is I've already pre-cut this because it looked like it was a bit of a pain, and it was for that. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open this up. Okay. Plastic comes off the top box here. Okay. Very nice housing for it. Very nice presentation that it came in. Okay, and as you can see here, it's housed right there. These little clips. This is your cover. Let's see how to get that off of there. Ooh, oh. And look at that. It is screwed onto this post here, so that way it doesn't come off of here, which is really cool. So that's the cap. You gotta sit that over there. And then this is the pen itself. And it's just clipped in the front and then just kind of laid in here and clipped in the back. Nice pen. Feels just like any other pen. You know, nice pen that you would use while writing. You know, ink pen. Has the name written here on the silver, or on the pen itself. Adonit. Let's see if that'll focus in. There you go. And if I'm not mistaken, this cap end will screw onto the back of the pen, so you don't have to worry about losing this end while you're writing or doing your thing. And then it will screw on right here to the front of the pen, which gives you the nice form factor that it has here. Okay, take it off, screws on the back, and you're ready to write. Has a nice rubbery end here, okay, for grip. Like a lot of your other pens that you'll see, has a nice writing or rubber end for while you write and you draw. Now, if you notice here, that fine tip, it has it on there. But what it is it has this plastic piece, which is the captive point. Okay? And what this does is this allows you, as you're writing or drawing on your iPad, to see exactly where the line is. The other bulbous rounded points, you can put it down, but you're not quite sure. If you ever made a line and you missed part of it, you want to go back, but you end up going just under that line. This allows you to see exactly where that line starts and stops. Gives you more control, more motor control over the lines. And this is on there pretty tight. You know, I mean, it's definitely able to move around. so that you can, so that it will write as your, for your hand movements. And it says this will write up to, you can use this up to a 45-degree angle before it'll stop working. Okay? So, there you go, right here on the back. Drawing angles at a 45-degree. Precision disc is what this is called. Ballpoint pen styling. Alright. Magnetic cling, so this will attach to your iPad once it's closed up, and it will magnetically hold on to your iPad. It's not good for carrying or permanent use, but if you're doing a project and you need to put this down, you can connect it to the iPad. That way it won't roll away and you won't lose it. Okay? And compatible with, as I said before, all captive touch screens, iPads, iPhones, HTC, Samsung, Nokia, Motorola, and Blackberries. Those that are all touch screen that you can use this with. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. This is going to go into my new rotation of pens, or into my EDC actually. I'm going to switch this out with the current pen that I'm using now for my iPad, and we're going to give this a whirl and see how it works out. And if you want to see more of this or see this actually in writing and usage, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to shoot a video doing some drawing and some writing with this pen and see how it goes. Okay, so there you go. And as always, thank you, YouTube, and peace. Knucklebone.